Good morning, Jamaica. Here's what you need to know as you start your day. We're following developing news out of St. James, where 3 men have died following an alleged confrontation with police in the community of Rose Heights. Jamaica News page understands that officers were in the area when they were confronted by armed men. An exchange followed, and the 3 men were later found injured. They were taken to hospital where they later died from their injuries. Also this morning, JPS wants you to know that there's going to be a 7% increase on your December bill, reflecting electricity usage for November. The company says that the increase comes after Hurricane Melissa disrupted the natural gas supply, forcing them to rely on more expensive fuel. The storm also caused a sharp drop in electricity use, about 30%, which further affected fuel-related charges. So to reduce the immediate impact, the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, has approved a plan to spread part of the increase over the coming months. So for the average household using about 165 kilowatt hours per month, that means roughly $655 at least on your December bill. Follow Jamaica News page for more updates.